Keith here at Vengeant Apparatus. Today's showcase is a surge on an F550 chassis built for Alleghany County Fire Rescue in Sparta, North Carolina. We're going to start in the front of the apparatus. We have a bodyguard custom grill. We have two Whelen M4 duos on the grill. We have two Whelen Mega T-Series duos on the lower portion of the bumper. We have a custom powder-coated shackles. We have winch power to the front for future customer winch installation. We have a custom-made backlit Alleghany graphic on the front bumper. We water jetted that out on our water jet. It's backlit with a Technic E34 strip light. We have a custom Ford inlay in the customer's colors. All the graphics you're going to see here today were done in-house by our market graphics team. We have a Whelen Liberty 2 Duo light bar. We have the HiViz 43-inch brow light. The front fender has a Whelen M4 Solo red LED warning light. We have a Kuzma black auto eject, 20 amp. We have the custom badge delete with the North Carolina flag. The aluminum rims were removed, powder coated, reinstalled, and the tires were remounted and balanced. The hub covers on the wheels were the factory hub covers, and we painted them black per the customer request. We have aluminum grip strut running boards, which are fabricated in-house. All the graphics you see here were customer approved to their department specifications. The front of the module's PPC black. The custom vehicle identification on the corners of the module as well. The ground lighting is Technic, the Technic E10s. The marker lights are the Technic S34s. As we move down the side of the vehicle, the upper warning is the Whelen M9 Solo Red, along with scene lighting, the FireTech Guardian Elite. We have Hansen roll-up doors. We have a custom fabricated winch points on either side of the module with winch power provided right alongside of that. The rub rails, aluminum C-channel, powder-coated black, along with the stainless steel fenderettes, which were also powder-coated black. We have a custom fabricated wheel chock holder with two wheel chocks. We have the, for the wheel chock holder, we have an aluminum tube welded in place. The lighting provided by Hansen on either side of the roll-up door tracks is customer requested green. The transverse compartment features a 70% slide out dual direction. with a custom fabricated pegboard, which is adjustable to meet the customer needs in the future. The lower portion is our electrical compartment. The street side 2 compartment features sensible products, channel panel on all 3 walls for future customer tool mounting. This vehicle also has 120 volt outlets in all corners of the module, and also in the street side and curbside 2 compartments. That is powered off of a Mastervolt 2000 watt inverter. Street side 3 compartment features 2 adjustable shelves. Shelving also PPC black to match the black compartment coating. All the Hansen doors are lockable as well. The rear of the vehicle features Whelen M9 red solo warning lights, the Guardian Elite scene lights, as well as innovative control backlit flip down steps. We have Hansen backlit green handrails. The brake tail turn pod is the Whelen M6 lighting with the M6 black pod. We have a custom 3D printed backup camera housing. We're utilizing the Ford factory camera in a custom printed housing. Hansen roll-up door once again in the rear. The upper compartment is fabricated for future customer storage, Stokes baskets, ladders. It's backlit with the Technic E45 strip light, which is also green. A garage style door with a SlideMaster 70% extension pull out tray, custom fabricated adjustable pegboard. Customer's going to mount their struts and some other rescue equipment back here. Also, custom printed chevron striping on all the pull out trays. The rear chain box door features a Technic E45 strip light for compartment lighting and the oversized compartment for customer specified storage boxes that they currently have. We have a class 4 hitch with 7 and 4 pin trailer plug, winch power as well to the rear, PPC coated bumper and grip strut with PPC coated kick plates as well, and the Technic S34 marker lights. On the top of the module, we have our diamond plate black PPC coated with our 4 corner tie down points. Customer requested they may put a raft up there to tie down in the future, or if the need arises for anything else to be tied down on top. As we work down the curb side of the vehicle, I want to point out the custom fabricated Rescue 2 mud flaps. Those are all water jetted in-house as well. Lighting mimics the street side. In a curbside 3-compartment, we have a adjustable PPC coated shelf. All our compartments have turtle tile in them as well, and a slide out custom fabricated storage area for customer supplied cribbing. The curbside 2-compartment features a custom fabricated small airbag storage bin. We cut plywood bases for the customer airbags to store along with the airbags. And then the curbside transverse, once again, has the SlideMaster 70% extension dual direction slide out with a custom fabricated pegboard. The additional plywood you see is to match the customer airbags, which they will mount when it's back at their station. The lower portion of the curbside 1 transverse compartment features additional storage for customer supplied future equipment. And then we also have our winch point mount towards the front of the module on this side as well. The interior of the vehicle features our just box it custom console, 3/4 inch birch plywood with Raptor lining. We also have a door jar light, a sink extension plug, a hot USB A and C charging port, which also shows battery voltage, a cigarette lighter plug, our Whelen Sencom core controller, customer supplied Kenwood mobile radio, which was wired in and installed, 2 cup holders, and a map book pocket. We also installed a customer requested Garmin drive cam, and the front windows were tinted to match the back factory tinting. We'd like to thank Alleghany Rescue, our dealer Atlantic Emergency Solutions, the salesman Chris Grace, for trusting in Vengeant Apparatus.